Look, if you hate cops just because they're cops, the next time you get in trouble, call a crackhead. I'm John Kennedy, and I approve this message.
Call a crackhead? That couldn't be any worse than calling the cops, right? Here are 7 reasons why you should call a crackhead instead of the cops.
What's going on in the wonderful world of crackheads this morning? Oh, okay, you're going to try to pick the whole fridge up. You don't want no help. You don't want somebody to get on the other side. You just going, okay. Crackhead strength is, where is you at when I need help moving? Always find you a crackhead to help you move, because they cheap and they do stuff like this. He gonna get on the, he getting on the bike with the whole fridge on him? Crackhead strength is real. He riding the bike with the fridge. You know how hard it is to pump the homie on the handlebars? But not for him. He carried the whole, and it's full of food. Crackhead strength is real.
What?
Yo, this shit don't sleep, man. I'll hit you back. Man, get off my paws, man. Get off my paws, man. Here we go. You get that damn drop, man. Come on out here and talk to me, man. Man, I'm in the bed, man. Man, shit. Hey. Get out the bed, man. Don't come to the bed but to sleep. Man, wake your game up, big dog.
No shoes on. I know. No.
Send me all these days.
I am.
Does she need some water?
Look at Noonie across the street. Noonie recording too.
Girl, go on and get ready. Okay. What the hell?
She on water. Hey, she on water.
What the heck?
Oh!
Shit!
Hey, she trying to take out. She finna take out shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! She took out. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh damn! Oh! Oh damn! Damn!
What? Gotta do 50 push-ups. 20. 30. 40.
What? What?
That cracker right here behind him finna grab his ass.
He finna grab his ass. He playing. He playing. I really did bored.
How you doing?
I don't know. Hey, Rock ain't finna run. Rock say fuck that shit.
The Rock!
You too old for this shit, dog.
Rock!
Rock don't run anymore, though.